The human body is often described as fragile, yet beneath its surface lies a remarkable ability to repair itself. From healing broken bones to rebuilding vital organs, regeneration quietly sustains life every day. While humans cannot regrow limbs, certain organs possess extraordinary powers of renewal that continue to fascinate scientists and redefine the limits of human resilience. Before I continue, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, so more people can discover this content. Also, subscribe to receive more content like this. Regeneration is the biological process by which living organisms repair or replace damaged tissues. While humans do not possess the dramatic regenerative abilities seen in animals such as salamanders or starfish, several human organs and tissues can regenerate to varying degrees. Understanding which organs regenerate and to what extent highlights both the resilience and the limitations of the human body. Some human organs demonstrate an exceptional ability to recover from injury, restoring both structure and function through advanced cellular repair mechanisms. The liver is the most regenerative organ in the human body. It can restore up to approximately 70% of its mass after surgical removal or injury. This regeneration occurs primarily through the division and enlargement of existing liver cells rather than the creation of an entirely new liver. Under normal conditions, the liver can recover its size and function within weeks or months, provided the underlying damage does not continue, such as from chronic alcohol abuse or viral infection. Human skin regenerates continuously throughout life. The outer layer, known as the epidermis, constantly sheds dead cells and replaces them with new ones. Minor cuts and abrasions heal completely through cell division and tissue repair. However, deeper wounds often result in scar formation, indicating repair rather than perfect regeneration. Bones possess a remarkable regenerative ability. When fractured, bone tissue undergoes a structured healing process that restores the original bone structure rather than forming scar tissue. With proper alignment and blood supply, bones can fully recover from significant injuries. In addition to organs capable of large-scale repair, several body systems rely on continuous regeneration to maintain normal function and survive constant wear. Blood cells are continuously regenerated in the bone marrow. Red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets are produced throughout life to replace aging or damaged cells. This ongoing regeneration is vital for immunity, oxygen transport, and clotting. The lining of the stomach and intestines renews itself every 3 to 5 days. This rapid regeneration is essential because the digestive tract is constantly exposed to mechanical stress, stomach acid, and digestive enzymes. Stem cells in the intestinal lining ensure continuous renewal and repair. Despite these impressive capabilities, certain vital organs possess only minimal regenerative capacity, making damage to them far more serious and often irreversible. The lungs can repair some of their cellular structures after injury, particularly the alveoli involved in gas exchange. However, extensive damage, such as that caused by smoking-related emphysema, a disease that destroys the tiny air sacs in the lungs, is largely irreversible. Similarly, the kidneys can repair certain tubular structures, but they cannot regenerate entire nephrons, the tiny filtering units that clean the blood. Severe kidney damage is therefore permanent. The heart and brain have very limited regenerative abilities. After a heart attack, damaged heart muscle is replaced with scar tissue, which lacks the ability to contract. The brain can generate a small number of new neurons in specific regions, such as the hippocampus, a part of the brain involved in memory and learning, but most brain injuries result in permanent loss of function. Although humans cannot regenerate entire limbs or organs, several human tissues demonstrate significant regenerative potential. The liver, skin, bone, blood, and intestinal lining show particularly strong regenerative abilities, while organs such as the heart and brain remain largely incapable of self-repair. Ongoing research into stem cells and regenerative medicine aims to expand these natural limits, offering hope for future medical breakthroughs. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might be curious about the human body. Subscribe for more clear, science-based content, and feel free to leave a comment below. Your thoughts and questions help shape future discussions.